Welcome to Lesson 2 of how to understand 85% of Quranic vocabulary. This is the second lesson of the third and final stage of learning the Quran vocabulary. Last time, we learned part 1 of the most common broken plurals in the Quran. Make sure to check it out if you haven't done that already. You'll find the links in the description. And in this lesson, Lesson 2, we'll learn the rest of the most common broken plurals in the Noble Quran. So let's get started. And the first word is a'yun, which means eyes. Next is absar, and it means insights. Next is anhar, and it means rivers. Next is azwaj, and it means spouses. The next word is ashab, and ashab means inmates or inhabitants. Next is abna, which means offspring or children. Next is a word with the same meaning, and that is awlad, which also means offspring or children. Next is ayyam, which means days. Next is ahwa, which means desires. The next word is aba, which means parents, fathers, or ancestors. The next word is a'mal, and a'mal means deeds. The next word is amwal, and it means possessions or wealth. The next word is albab, and it means minds. Next, abwab, and it means doors or gates. The next word is ayman, which means oaths. And finally is an'am, which means cattle. And now it's time to have a closer look at these words by seeing how they're used in context in the Noble Quran. And we start from the beginning with the first word, and that is a'yun, and it means eyes. And we see it used with this meaning in this example. فَلَمَّا أَلْقَوْا سَحَرُوا أَعْيُنَ النَّاسِ وَاسْتَرْهَبُوهُمْ. And we also see the word a'yun attached to a suffix in this example. وَإِذَا سَمِعُوا مَا أُنزِلَ إِلَى الرَّسُولِ تَرَى أَعْيُنَهُمْ تَفِيضُ مِنَ الدَّمْعِ. Do you still remember what this suffix means? Let me know in the comments below. The next word is absar, which means insights, like in this example. إِنَّ فِي ذَلِكَ لَعِبْرَةً لِأُولِي الْأَبْصَارِ. The next word is anhar, which means rivers. And we see it used in this example. لَكِنِ الَّذِينَ اتقوا ربهم لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها. The next word is azwaj, and it means spouses, like in this example. وَلَقَدْ أَرْسَلْنَا رُسُلًا مِّن قَبْلِكَ وَجَعَلْنَا لَهُمْ أَزْوَاجًا وَذُرِّيَّةً. The next word is ashab, and it means inmates or inhabitants, like in these examples. ونادى أصحاب الجنة أصحاب النار أن قد وجدنا ما وعدنا ربنا حقا. And we notice right away that this word could be used in a positive and also in a negative way. If it is used in a negative context, it would then mean inmates. But if it is used with a positive meaning, it would then mean inhabitants. And in both cases, the same word gives both meanings in Arabic. The next word is abna, which means offspring or children, like in this example. الذين آتيناهم الكتاب يعرفونه كما يعرفون أبناءهم. And of course, the word abna contains a connected med, which means that you'll have to extend it for 5 harakat. And if you want to learn more about med and its different cases, make sure to check out this lesson about med and its types. Next word is ayyam, which means days, like in this example. الذي خلق السماوات والأرض وما بينهما في 6 أيام ثم استوى على العرش. Next word is أهواء, which means desires. We see it used with this meaning in this example. وأن احكم بينهم بما أنزل الله ولا تتبع أهواءهم واحذرهم. The next word is آباء, which means parents, fathers, or ancestors. And we see it used in this example. قالوا وجدنا آباءنا لها عابدين. Next is أعمال, which means deeds, like in this example. أولئك الذين حبطت أعمالهم في الدنيا والآخرة وما لهم من ناصرين. The next word is أموال, and it means possessions or wealth, like in this example. وَلَنَبْلُوَنَّكُمْ بِشَيْءٍ مِّنَ الْخَوْفِ وَالْجُوعِ وَنَقْصٍ مِّنَ الْأَمْوَالِ وَالْأَنفُسِ وَالثَّمَرَاتِ وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. Next word is الباب, which means minds, and we see it used in this example. وَلَكُمْ فِي الْقِصَاصِ حَيَاةٌ يَا أُولِي الْأَلْبَابِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَتَّقُونَ. The next word is أبواب, which means doors or gates, like in this example. جنات عدن مفتحة لهم الأبواب. Another example. وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب. Next word is ayman, which means oaths. And when dealing with this word, you gotta pay extra attention because this could be easily confused with another word, which is iman, which means faith. And these are two completely different words, and the only difference is the placement of the hamza and the vowel on top or under the hamza. Let's see how the word ayman is used in this example. إن الذين يشترون بعهد الله وأيمانهم ثمنا قليلا أولئك لا خلاق لهم. Now notice that we said here أيمانهم. So we started with fatha. But if there was kasra under the hamza at the beginning of the word, it would change the meaning of the word completely and it would be pronounced differently, like in this example. كيف يهدي الله قوما كفروا بعد إيمانهم وشهدوا. Here we said إيمانهم because there is kasra under the hamza. While in that example, we said aymanihim because there was fatha on top of the hamza. These two words could be easily confused with one another. Next word is awlad, which means children or offspring, like in this example. وَلَا تَقْتُلُوا أَوْلَادَكُمْ خَشْيَةَ إِمْلَاقٍ. Here we also notice that the word awlad has a suffix attached to it, and if you followed the Quranic grammar series, you would know what the suffix in this case means. And if you do know, let me know in the comments below. Finally is the word an'am, which means cattle. Also here we see that the word cattle is an uncountable noun in English, while in Arabic this is a plural word. It means the same, but it has a different grammatical function. In Arabic it is plural, and in English it is uncountable singular noun, but they both mean the same thing, like in this example. وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ مِمَّا ذَرَأَ مِنَ الْحَرْثِ وَالْأَنْعَامِ نَصِيبًا. Finally, you will find in the description a link for this lesson in a PDF file, and you'll also find the printable version if you want to print it out. And as per usual, you will find the memorized list of this lesson if you want to learn these words properly. Thanks for watching. I hope you have learned something new today. If you did, please like and share the video for other people to learn from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in lesson 3.